Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make avocado toast at home. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 perfectly ripe avocado, 2 slices of your preferred bread, and a small pinch of salt. For a bright, fresh taste, have some fresh lemon juice ready, along with a light drizzle of olive oil. Feel free to customize with a dash of red pepper flakes or a sprinkle of everything bagel seasoning for an extra kick. Now, let's prepare our star ingredient, the avocado. Carefully slice your ripe avocado in half, working around the large pit. A gentle twist will help you remove the pit easily. Scoop all of that beautiful green flesh into a small bowl. Using a fork, mash it to your desired consistency. Some prefer it smooth, others a bit chunky. Don't forget to add a squeeze of fresh lemon juice and a pinch of salt for perfect seasoning. Next up, let's get that bread perfectly toasted. Select a sturdy bread, like a good sourdough or a hearty whole wheat, as it will hold up best to the creamy avocado. Place your 2 slices in a toaster or a pan, aiming for a beautiful golden brown crispness. We want a medium toast, providing a firm yet yielding base. Be careful not to overtoast, as a rock-hard slice isn't ideal for this delicious treat. Finally, it's time to assemble your delicious avocado toast. Generously spread the seasoned mashed avocado evenly across each of your perfectly toasted bread slices. For an extra layer of flavor and richness, drizzle a small amount of high-quality olive oil over the top. Now, for the finishing touches, sprinkle with red pepper flakes, everything bagel seasoning, or some fresh chopped herbs. Serve immediately and savor every single bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.